Trump say e dey work hard to save lives for Gaza as e no dey happy to see the suffer and death wey dey happen for there. And Al-Shifa Hospital for northern Gaza say they don stop work because fuel don finish, and that one mean say many people go die. Na small for the tori for today be that. Na Pidgin Tori Global be this, where foreign tori dey drop for your ear with correct Naija pidgin. If e dey happen for world, we go dey run am here the way you sabi am. Oya make we enter the gist proper. White House Press Secretary Caroline Leavitt don tok say Trump dey work steady with Israeli leaders to end the war for Gaza. She say the president dey really feel the pain as e dey see the kind pictures wey dey come out from Israel and Gaza. Leavitt tok say Trump wan make the fighting stop so that innocent people no go die anyhow. Reports say Trump go meet with Netanyahu for White House next Monday to run talk. Whereas Israel Strategic Affairs Minister Ron Dermer, wey be Netanyahu correct padi, dey Washington this week. E dey hold meeting with senior officials about Gaza ceasefire, Iran and other matters. Director of Al-Shifa Hospital for northern Gaza don talk say dem don halt service because fuel don finish. Dr. Mohammed Abu Salmiya tell reporters say dem don stop dialysis treatment and e mean say 350 patients dey serious danger. According to am, by 12 p.m. the generator go off and hundreds of people fit die as dem no get any other option to solve the fuel wahala. Before the war, Al-Shifa Hospital na Gaza biggest hospital, but Israel bombardment don almost scatter am finish. Israeli forces bin arrest Abu Salmiya for 7 months, accuse am say Hamas dey use the hospital as military base. Over 130 charities plus Oxfam, Save the Children and Amnesty don call for Israel and US-backed Gaza Humanitarian Foundation (GHF) to shut down. Dem say over 500 Palestinians don die and almost 4,000 injure since the GHF begin work for late May after Israel 3-month blockade. The group tok say Israeli soldiers and armed groups dey always shoot people wey dey find food. Israel deny say dem dey target civilians on purpose, say the GHF dey help directly without Hamas wahala. The joint statement on Tuesday say the aid system dey force 2 million people enter overcrowded militarized zone wey no dey safe at all. UN Secretary General Antonio Guterres even call am inherently unsafe. Before, dem get 408 points during ceasefire, but GHF replace am with just 4 military-controlled sites. The charities talk say people dey choose between hunger and risk of gunshot, with many children among the dead. US Senate dey run long vote session on big budget plan wey critical to President Donald Trump agenda. Republicans dey divided on how dem go cut welfare to extend tax breaks for the One Big Beautiful Bill Act. The vote process, wey dem call Vote Arama, fit last 20 hours with plenty amendment debates as senators dey move between the chamber and private meetings. If the bill clear Senate, e go return to House of Representatives for another vote. Elon Musk, Trump former close aide, don condemn the bill as insane, say e go add $3.3 trillion to the national debt wey Treasury tok say dey $36 trillion already. Trump even threa ten to create new political party and say e go fight Republicans wey promise to cut spending but dey vote for more debt. Trump respond for Truth Social, tok say Elon dey collect heavy subsidies pass anybody, and without am, e for don close Tesla and waka go back to South Africa. The deadline wey President Donald Trump government set for July 9 dey near, but India and US never still agree on the trade deal as negotiations dey tough. White House Press Secretary Caroline Leavitt don tok say the deal dey close, and Indian Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman tok say India go welcome one big good beautiful agreement, but dem still dey drag over things like agriculture, auto parts and tariff for Indian steel. Indian officials don ex ten d their stay for Washington to continue the talk, but India dey drop big red lines to protect their farm and dairy sector, while US dey push make India open up market more. Ajay Srivastava from Global Trade Research Initiative tok say the next 7 days go show if dem go manage do small mini deal or waka comot for now. At least 34 people don't die after big fire burn pharmaceutical factories for Telangana, southern India. The blast happened on Monday during work hours for Sigashi Industry Unit. Senior police officer Paritosh Pankaj tok say dem don carry 31 bodies from the debris. 3 others die for hospital. Around 60 people dey inside when the building collapse. Many of the workers na migrants from Jharkhand, Odisha, Bihar, Uttar Pradesh and West Bengal. Police don open case against the factory management after victims some report. The company tok say dem go shut the plant for 90 days to fix the damage. Dem dey produce microcrystalline cellulose there wey dem use for drugs, cosmetics and food. Rescue officials tell reporters say pressure for the spray dryer plus fine dust chemicals make the blast worse. At least 25 people dey hospital with burns and injuries. Some inhale bad fumes. Rescue teams still dey clear debris. Dem no sure if people still dey trapped. Authorities dey use DNA tests to identify the burnt bodies. Telangana state government and Prime Minister Narendra Modi don express condolence. Modi announced 200,000 rupees compensation for each dead person family and 50,000 rupees for the injured people. Manila Mayor Francisco Damogoso don warn say the city fit face health emergency because plenty dirty dey wey dem never collect. E beg nearly 2 million residents make dem hold their dirty for house small as the city dey find new waste collectors. The 2 companies wey dey pack rubbish before, Feel Eco and Metro Waste, don waka comot say the city dey owe dem 400 million pesos. One old contractor, Elon, tok say dem still dey owe am over 560 million pesos. Damogoso, wey people sabi as Isco Moreno, say e even beg Leone make dem start work again for free. E tok say the uncollected rubbish dey dangerous to old people, sick people and children because insects dey carry germs enter food. E don ask the city council make dem declare health emergency quick. On Tuesday morning, e lead workers to wash downtown Manila with water and soap from fire trucks. Damogoso don try clean the city before when e be mayor between 2019 and 2022, and that time e even mistakenly match human waste as e dey clean monument. Although e popular for the cleanup, e lose presidential election for Ferdinand Marcos Jr. for 2022. Now e promise say dem no go stop to wash the streets until everything dey clean. Police for Singapore don get power to hold people bank account and block money transfer if dem suspect say the person dey fall for scam. The new Protection from Scams Act start on Tuesday. Government tok say e dey common for victims to ignore warnings say dem dey scammed. The law go help stop people from to lose big money. Scams for Singapore don reach record $1.1 billion for 2024. Under the new law, police fit tell bank make dem block transactions or stop person from using ATM and credit if dem believe say scam dey happen even if the person no agree. The person fit still use the money for daily expenses, but police go decide how. The Ministry of Home Affairs say police fit hold the account for 30 days at a time with chance to extend 5 times if need dey. Some MPs don tok say the law too dey intrusive, but supporters say e go protect people from heavy losses. Government say dem go only use am as last resort when talk don fail. Scam cases for Singapore don jump from 15,600 for 2020 to over 50,000 for 2024. Dem include job scam, investment wahala, e-commerce fraud and online love scams. And the last one for today, Thailand Constitutional Court don suspend Prime Minister Paetongtarn Shinawatra because of leaked phone call with former Cambodian leader Worsen. For the call, she call am uncle and criticize one Thai military commander wey make people vex and push petition to remove her. The court vote 7-2 to suspend her as dem dey check the case. She get 15 days to defend herself. Deputy Prime Minister Surya Jingogrankit go act as leader for now. Her coalition government dey shaky as one important conservative ally don waka 2 weeks ago come leave dem with slim majority. If dem remove her, She go be the second few Thai prime minister wey dem go sack since last August when Shreta Thavisin lose im position because e appoint ex-convict lawyer as minister. Paitoktan, wey be Thaksin Shinawatra pikin, na Thailand youngest leader and second woman to be prime minister after her aunt Yingluck. Her approval rating don drop from 30.9% for March to 9.2%. She don apologize for the leaked call, tok say na negotiation style over border wahala, but conservative lawmakers accuse her say she dey bend for Cambodia and dey spoil Thailand ministry. Na the tori be that for today, and na Rebecca Goffey dey report for Pidgin Tori Global.